Okay, what we want to create is a breakout style game. In a breakout game, you typically have a bat, a ball, and some bricks. For the sake of this tutorial, we want to create a super breakout game with impressive graphics made in 3D. First, we need to find the graphics for our game. You will not have to draw graphics on the screen, as we have already done that for you. All the graphics of the game that we created, we are going to create and contain it in a file called library. Libraries are a set of objects, as you can see down here, ready to be used in Multimedia Fusion Developer. How do we locate the graphics for the library? As you might have guessed, the library can be found in the library window. On the bottom left of your display, you will see a tree with folders. Click on the tutorial folder. So I'm going to click library, and if I wish I could just pull up this a little bit just for the sake of this tutorial. And I'm coming down and I'm going to look for tutorials, and I've selected the Chocobrick tutorial. I'm going to open it and you're going to see all these different objects that was already created for you. Okay, so what we want to do first is to drop an object called Sugar Vertical. So I'm going to select the Sugar Vertical one, and I'm going to rest it here on this plane. I'm going to size it properly, and I'm going to select the other one, Sugar Vertical 2, and select it in this area here. And then what I'm going to do is to have the Sugar Horizontal and select it over here. Alright, what I'm going to do basically is to tidy it up because I would want it to look relatively well. Alright, so I am going to drag this up here, have it looking neat, bring this down a little bit in this area here, and do the same thing too as well for this one here. You probably will use my mouse or my keyboard arrows to position it effectively on the screen. Right, I'm actually using my arrows on my keyboard to center it. Now if I wished, I could use the continue button, which is this button here, to run my frame, and voila, we have just the basic interface of our game. Right, and you can see all the animations taking place. So when you're done viewing the animation, you could just simply close the window by clicking the close button, and now head back to the frame editor.